Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of the Microsoft Office Reporting add-on for System Architect. This add-on provides a graphical user interface for specifying Microsoft Word and Excel reports from System Architect. This can save many hours versus manually building custom reports in VBA for System Architect. It works on any meta model in System Architect, including any user customizations that may have been made in user props or purchased from another party. And it allows report specifications to be saved and edited in XML so that you can more finely control some of the formatting that's done. To build or run a report, you simply select either Excel or Word export. The report is configured using this dialog box. It's divided into several tabs, each one building on the previous selections. To begin, select the basic content type and sorting rules for the report. You can select the report definitions, diagrams, or both. Then you set the options for your title page. You can have several lines plus an image file that'll be exported out in the report. The next tab allows you to select the diagrams to be included in the report. Then you can select the definition types for the report, and then the symbol types for the report. By default, all properties will be reported. You can select a subset of all the properties by clicking or checking the Limit Diagram Property Exports option box. Then once you've selected a diagram type, you click the Edit button to select the properties to be included in the report for each of the selected diagram types. For brevity, we're not going to walk through these steps. It does give you a fine level of control over exactly what properties get printed in the report. Properties of definitions and symbols can be selected in a very similar way. When you've made your selections, this configuration can be saved to an XML file for later use and for fine-tuning some of the settings manually if you want to edit the XML file yourself. Once you've selected what you need to select, simply hit the export option and that'll run the report. Switch to, in this case, Excel and navigate the results of the report. The first tab will contain the table of contents if you selected that, and each following tab will contain the information that you have requested. If definitions were exported, their content will appear on the Definitions tab. The properties selected for export will be included here. The formatting and exactly how these things show up in columns and the values shown there can all be controlled in the XML file. Similarly, if diagrams were chosen to be exported, the diagram will show up in its tab, and information about that diagram will be included as well. Running a Word-based report is much the same as the Excel-based report. The options, dialogues, selections, etc. are pretty much the same. Only the output target and results will differ. For the Word report, we'll just use a previously saved setup. So we'll hit the Load Setup button here in the first tab. When you run the report, it'll produce a Word document. If you switch to Word, you can see the content of the document. The output here will also show diagrams if selected, including the diagram image along with any definitions associated with that diagram. So hopefully you've seen that it's easy to build a Word or Excel based report directly from the EA Frameworks add-on for Office reporting for System Architect. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at sales@eaframeworks.com or info@eaframeworks.com. Visit our website at eaframeworks.com to download and purchase this add-on, and I want to thank you for your time.